This
Good
conference
morning,
will
good
now be
morning.
recorded.
Yes, yesterday class we done with the file handling concept is completed, right?
File handling. Yes, sir.
File handling is completed. So three classes complete about the file handling. And today class will go for some different topic. Tell me the topic, guys.
Enum.
Enumeration concept.
Yes.
Because enumeration project level only one point, guys, to declare the group of constants. So generally see project level to declare the group of constants where we go for the enumeration enum concept. But generally as a one point topic only. But in Ameripaid classes, what happened here? The faculties are trying for the multiple possibilities, right? Variable declarations are possible or not, construct declarations are possible or not, possible or not. The faculties are trying with different possibilities. That's what that will become on topic actually. Is that clear? Guys, actually, like enumeration concept is only one point to declare the group of constants, just like 5 minutes discussion. But the faculty, what they'll do, they will add some constructors, some methods, some XYZ data. Then the topic will become the 1 hour class, right? Exactly. Yeah, if you go for the enumeration concept, guys, enum to declare the group of constants, guys, basically group of constant, and enum is basically from which version, one Java 1.5 version. Yes, Java 1.5 version we have the enumeration concept, right? Like that. So generally in the class, Java class, if you need the constants, guys, group of constants. In the Java class, if you need the group of constants, see, enum is from which version is Java 1.5 version. Enum is used to take the group of constants, guys. That's it. Group of constants. The constant generally what? How can we specify that the constant means what? That's a generally the public static final, guys. The data which is having the public static final, that is, we can call it as a final constant, right? As public means anyone can access, static means directly we can access, final means what we cannot modify, right? We cannot modify. Because generally before enum, if you need this constants, so public static final constants, what we will do? Because before enum, if we need the constants, what we have to do, every time we have to take the public static final concept, guys. Because before enum, if we need any constants inside the class, before enum concept, if we need the constants means what? Every time we have to take a public static final, public static final, public static final. With the enum means what? You can declare the enum is like week. Inside enum, you can declare the constants, guys, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These constants are by default public static final constants, guys. These constants are by default what type of constants? These constants are by default what? Public static final constants, right? Exactly. Because the statement is clear. Before enum, if you need the constants means inside the class, we can declare the constant. Every time we have to define the public static final. Because every time we have to define a public static final. But inside the enum, if we declare the constants, these constants are by default step guys. These constants are by default public static final constant, right? Public static final, guys. The enum only advantage this one, guys. Inside the class, if you want the constants, we need to define the public static final. But inside enum, if we declare the constants, these are by default public static final, right? Exactly, guys. Just declare the enum using enum keyword. So I declared enum using enum keyword. The enum contains how many constants here? Three constants are there, right? Yes, my enum contains how many constants? Three constants are there. So if you take the class test, see enum declare the constants. Those constants how we can access in the application. Okay. How we access in the application means public static void main. Yeah, public static void main you can write. Public static void main you can write the string array RGS, right? String array RGS. Just open this for this. Then by first way you can access the constants. Those constants are by default what type of data? Public static file, right? It's basically like static constant, guys. So that how can we access the static constants? We can access the static constant using we can access the static constant using what? Enum, right? Week data week dot what? Monday. Week dot Monday. Then it returns what? Week dot Monday. Then it returns what? Which constant, guys? Week W1, right? Exactly. Very clear now. Week dot Monday we can call like this. Week dot Tuesday, week dot Wednesday, right? Exactly. Because because those are the static constant. That's why we are calling that constant using ename, right? enum name, right? Exactly, guys. W1, W2, W3, right? Yeah, this is one way, guys. Generally, we'll prefer this approach only. The system dot out dot printer enough. System dot out dot printer enough. We can try to print the W1, W1 plus some space here, plus W2 we can write. W1 plus W2 plus some space plus you can write the W3, right? Exactly, guys. So the point is clear now. You can save this code in local disk E. The file is called what? Test.java file. Test.java file, right? Exactly. So you can compile the code. JavaScript application is called what? Test.java. Then code is compiled fine. JavaScript test.java. The code is compiled fine. Yeah, JavaScript test.java. The code is compiled fine. Yeah. Yeah. Code is compiled fine. Java class is called class guys. You want to execute test class, right? Just we are accessing those three constants, guys. Monday, Tuesday, and what? Wednesday, right? Very clear now. Yeah, so enum contains enum constants, guys. So we are accessing that constant using enum name, right? Because these are static constants, so that we can call using enum name, right? Exactly. For most, I want to access all the constants at a time. Because if you want to access all the constants at a time, then you can go for the weak dot enum dot values method is there. Because weak dot values method is there. The values method returns all the constants, guys. If the values method returns all the constants means what? It returns a weak array, right? Weak array W. Yes, yes or no? So weak dot values method means what? It returns all the constants. Because we can store all the constants in what? Yes, we can store all the constants in what? Weak array, right? Exactly. Weak array W, right? Exactly, guys. Because array data is there, you can print the data using for each to. So colon, right hand side is W, left hand side is W is what type of data? Weak type, weak WW, right? Exactly, guys. If then you try to print the data, the system dot out dot print enough, you can try to print the WW, right? Exactly, guys. So you're trying to print the WW, right? Exactly. Because first way we are accessing data like in individual constants, guys. We are accessing one by one. Second case we are getting all the constants, right? Just getting the constant, all the constants, right? Exactly. So you can compile this code. Code is compiled fine. The other class is executed fine. The output guys Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hmm. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next one is what? Monday, Tuesday, and what? Wednesday, right? Exactly. Because this is accessing the constants one by one, and here we are accessing the constants like all the constants, right? Exactly. Because every constant contains its index value basically. So to get that index value plus ww data, we have like ordinal method, guys. This ordinal method to get the index positions of the constant basically. This code is compiled fine. Java the class is called which class here? Test class, right? Java the class is called test class. Is output guys. Monday 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday is like 1, 2 or yeah 0, 1, 2, right? Exactly. Because we can access the constants like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday individual constants you're accessing, then we can get all the constants using values function, right? Values method. And you can get the index positions, guys. Index position using ordinal method, right? Like that. Because actually this is sufficient actually, but I can take some more examples. Enum to declare the group of constants. How can we access these constants means? How can we access these constants? We can access the constants using. Tell me guys, how can I access the constant using enum name, right? Because it's a static constant. But if you want to get all the constants at a time, you can go for the values method. And to get the index positions of the constants, you can go for the ordinal method, right? Yes, you can go with what? Ordinal method, right? Exactly, guys. That's example one basically. Good. Because here we have to see one observation here. Actually, enum just we declared enum week Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Because like auto boxing. What do you mean auto boxing? It's automatic conversion of what primitive to wrapper object, right? This auto boxing is what? Automatic conversion of primitive to wrapper object. The concept is called concept is auto boxing concept, right? Exactly. This auto boxing means what? We are not doing the process. That process internally done by compiler, right? It means auto boxing internally uses which method? I said value of method, right? Yes or no? Guys, auto boxing
Yes,
internally
sir.
uses which method? Value of method. It means what? The process we are not doing, but the process done by someone, right? It's not by a compiler, right? Exactly. The same way, guys, enum constants are by default what type of data? Because enum constants are by default what type? By default
Static.
public static final type, right? Yeah. Public static final means what happened? JVM point of view, Developer point of view, just we written the 2 lines of code, guys. But JVM point of view, internally compiler generate this much code, guys. Actually, so your point of view, there's these 2 lines of code. But JVM point of view, JVM has to execute this much code actually. JVM internally generate this dot class file code, guys. Guys, what I'm saying, the point is clear. Developer point of view, we are seeing like this much code for the enum. Enum name like weak. Every constant is by default public static final. But internally, this much code is generated for that enum. So this every Monday is like what public static final, Tuesday is public static final, values method is there. This much code is generated by internally dot class file code, guys. Okay, so JVM point of view, then this is the code, this is the code. JVM point of view, the enum is this line is not a code. JVM point of view, JVM will execute this code basically. Is that clear now? Good. Because if see the dot class file after compilation, dot class file is generated. See the dot class file using online compiler, guys. So you can go for one of the online compiler, Java decompiler software. So Java Java decompiler software. Java decompiler online. You go for the Java decompiler.com. Yeah, decompiler.com. If you go for the Java decompiler software, guys, choose the dot class file where the dot class file is generated. I'm choosing the dot class file in local disk E. Enum dot class file name is what? Weak, right? Weak dot class file. Just you can place the yeah. Yes, he is also showing like very small code. And it depends on online compiler, it's showing the different exam, different output, different data guys actually. But the best online compiler it will shows the what is the code I'm showing. Previously my system I installed one Java decompiler that is showing that output actually. But as a trial version, the trial version is expired, guys. After it is expired, it doesn't allows me to reinstall the software. That is issue. Upload and decompile. Hmm. Choose the file. The file name is called what? So weak.class file you are choosing. Weak.class file. Upload and decompile the data. If you upload decompile, just you can see whether proper code is generating or not. Yeah. It is also generating very small code base. Week.Monday, week.Tuesday, week.Wednesday. It's like values method. Yeah, it doesn't show like public static final, right? It's not showing like public static final. Yes, but if you need to see that information completely, no compromise, guys. I will show you that process. Just to go to the Google, yeah, just to go to Google, Java decompiler download, Java decompiler download, guys. Actually, yeah, Java decompiler download, JD, yeah. Yes, we have to see like internal code, compile generated code, Java decompiler download here. Yeah. Mm, no, directly we get that file actually. By download Java compiler. Yeah, you can see this website goes once. Download for the GUI. Okay, maybe this one shows. Yeah, Windows file you can download. Yes, Windows file. Once if you download the Windows file, you'll get this one. Let me show once. This is extract this zip file as JDUI, something like this. If you right click and extract. Because once you extract, you will get some cup symbol. I think JDGI means cup symbol. You will get it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where?
Means earlier I have downloaded. Right.
Oh, yeah, we got like this is a directly folder is downloading. It seems like yeah, this is like JD GUI Windows. Here, once if you open this folder, this is like cup symbol, guys. Yeah, exactly. Once if you open this cup symbol, guys, then it's asking like open the dark class file. Yeah, so to open the dark class file, guys, enum name just to declare three constants, but I said internally too much code generated. To show that code internal code, guys, to show that internal code, I'm going for the Java decompiler. Go to the file menu, guys, click on open file. Click on open file. In this PC, local disk E, I think the class file is what? Weak.class file, right? Exactly. This is my weak.class file, guys. Just open this class. Yeah, some case this is issue. It's not selecting the data, right? Why? Rani, did you use this one? Who said why?
Just try to drag and drop the class file in this decompiler.
Ah, exactly. Yes, exactly. You are right. Yes, when the opening the file is not possible, then we have to drag and drop the class file into the corresponding location basically. Drag and drop in the sense like this weak.class file is correct. Just open the JD compiler or compilers from side by side. Just you can drag and drop the dot class file here. That's it. Then definitely the file will be open. Hmm. What happened, Danny? Even drag and drop was not working. Yeah, last time let me try once. Once this file is open, some case this issues. Fine. Leave it, guys. Guys, you try once. Actually, the after compilation, this much code will be generated. Guys, internal code after the enum compilation. After compilation, weak dot class file generated. This is dot class file code, guys. Because by seeing this code, you can understand the first point. Like enums are internally treated as a class format only, guys. So like here, see guys, we declared the enum weak, but internally it is taking like what public final class weak, right? So enums internally treated as a class format only. Because enum internally treated as what class, right? Exactly. And second point you can see guys, enum is the final data. Enum is by default final means what guys? For the enum, can we create the child enums? Guys, enum is by default final. Enums are by default final means can we create the child enums?
No.
Guys, can we create the child enums? No, right? We cannot create the child enums, right? Exactly. So don't ask like, sir, can we create the child enums? Not possible, guys, because enums are by default what type? Enums are by default final type, right? Exactly, guys. Because enums are by default public. Enums is by default public modifier is there. So in front of the enum, if you no need to define the public modifier, enums are by default. Generally, what's the default modifier in Java? Because in general, default modifier in Java is what? Guys, in general, default modifier in Java in front of the classes, in front of the methods, what is the default modifier?
Default.
Yeah, the default modifier in Java is what? Default, right? Exactly. The default modifier in Java is default, guys, but here, the default modifier is what? For the enums, the default modifier is what? Public, guys, by default.
Public.
Enums are by default public, right? Exactly. The default, what is the default superclass for the normal classes? Yes, for the classes, what is the default superclass? For the classes, the default superclass is, I think, object class, right? Yes, for the classes, the default superclass is what? Object class, right? For the enum, the
Object.
default super is what? By default, is internal extending like enum concept. Yes.
Public.
Yes, enums are by default extending what? Enum, right? Yeah, this first line contains this many number of points. Guys. 4 points are there in the first point, first line itself. The first point is enums are internally treated which format? Enums are internally taken as a class format, right? Enums are internally taken as a class format. Right? This is the first point. Second point, enums are by default final, so we cannot create the child enums. Third point is like enums are by default public. In general, variable classes are by default modifiers, but enums are by default what public is. And the enum, the default superclass is what? Enum, the
Enum.
default superclass is what? Enum, right? Capital enum we can take this. Exactly. Enum, the default superclass is what? Capital enum, right? Exactly, guys. These are 3 points. The next point you can see is this is like private constructor. Enum internally contains a private constructor, guys. Enum internally contains a private constructor means can we create the object of enum outside? That's outside of the enum. Assume like I have the enum data. In other classes, I want to create the object of enum. Can we create the object of enum? Yes. Can we create the object of enum is not possible, right? Because
No.
enum contains what
Right.
private constructor internally. Yes, private constructor scope is what only within the enum, right? So we cannot create the object outside, right? Exactly, yes, because it contains the private constructor. And next point you can see every enum constraint is by default what type of, guys? By default public static final, public static final, public static final, right? Exactly, guys. Because every enum is what? Every enum is by default public static final, right? Exactly.
Static file.
Because enum, yeah, enum is a keyword, guys, to declare the enum. Because small enum is a keyword to declare the enum. Whatever capital E, capital enum is a class, right? Capital is a default superclass, guys. Because enum is a keyword. Small enum is a keyword to declare the enums, right? Small enum is a keyword to declare the enums, but capital enum is a default superclass, right? Because capital enum is what the default super, right? Exactly, guys. Good. Enums also compiler generated dot class files, guys. Like classes compiler generated dot class files, interfaces also dot class files are generated. Classes interfaces, even exceptions also dot class files are generated, even errors also dot class files are generated, and even for the enums also dot class files are generated, even for the annotations also dot class files will be generated, right? Exactly. So finally we decided enums also compiler generates what dot class files, right? Exactly. Sixth point is 7th point is what enum contains private constructors, so not possible to create the object outside, right? So not possible to create the object, right? Exactly. 8th point you can see, guys, enum constraints are by default which type? Enum
Public
constraints are by
static
default which
file.
type? Public static file type. Yes, if you understand this point, these are all the points important for the enums actually. How can we get this point means once if you open the dart class file using Java decompiler software. Once if I open this enum code using Java decompiler software, this much code is there. Based on this code, I written this many number of points. Is it clear now? Good. Enum constraints are by default which type? This public static final type. Good.
Public.
Enums are to declare what a group of user-defined constants, guys. Guys, enums to declare what? To declare user-defined constants, because we declared enum week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is what type of data? Is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is like a predefined data, user-defined data? Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is like predefined data, user-defined data. Something like user-defined, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's like user defined data, right? Exactly, guys. So the point is what? Okay, user defined constant, right? Exactly. Because every enum constant is object basically. See here, Monday, new week is there. It means what? This is object, right? Every constant is a object of the type enum type, right? Yes, Monday equal to new week, Tuesday equal to new week, Wednesday equal to what? New week, right? So every constant is what? Yes, every constant is what? Every constant is object of every constant is object
Enum.
of the corresponding data, right? Monday equal to new week, Tuesday equal to new week. Guys, total how many points you got about enum? 10 points. This first point is what? Enums are internally created as which format, guys? Guys, enums are
Class
internally
format.
created as a class format, right? Exactly. Enums are by default final. Can we create the child enums? Yes.
No.
Can we create the child enums? Means no, right? Enums are by default or public. By
Public.
default public, right? Generally classes and methods and variables by default which modifier is there?
Default.
Yeah, default, right? This is one of the interview question, guys. When I attended some interview last time, they asked me this question: what is the default modifier for the enum? I was shocked again. At the time, it is I didn't open this dart class file actually. At that time, what the default modifier for the enum means what default only, right? We are saying yes or no.
Public.
What the default modifier means what? Generally, we can call say like, okay, default modifier for the enum is default only. They are saying, are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure, very much sure. Okay. Good. Next one is there's a point, guys. So enums are by default what? Public actually. Hmm? The default superclass of enum is enum. The enum keyword to declare the enum. Enum is a default super, and enums also compiler generates dot class file. Enum contains private constructors, so object creations are not possible outside, right? Every enum constraints are by default which type is public static final type. Enums to declare the user defined constants like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, definitely user defined constants. To declare the user defined constants, you're going for the enum. Every enum constant is an object basically. Yes, every constant is what a object, right? The 10 points are clear. Yeah, this observation is very, very important.
Yes.
This is like 3 lines, 2 lines of code written, but internal this much code is generated. These are 10 points, you understood, right? So finally decided for the enums, child enums are possible, not possible, guys. Child enums are not possible, right? Exactly. Yes, generally in the real time, and one more point is important for us. The real time actually, this example is important. While discussing packages concept, we discuss static import, right? Guys, while discussing packages concept, we discuss static import, right? Yeah, what a difference with normal import and static import is? It's generally accessing the enum constants, guys. Yeah, if you see this code, assume like package com.tcs.enum constants. So I have one package. Fish is there. Fish contains goldfish, starfish, catfish, some fishes are there, right? Yeah. Because in general, class client code, guys. Test client. Assume like this is a client code. Assume like tested client code is there. In the client code, what I'm doing here, I'm importing that fish, right? I'm importing that fish means what? I can access the data using these constants or what type of constants, guys? Yeah, these constants are what type of constants? Static
Public
constants, right?
static final.
Static type, right? Then how can we access the static constants using?
Enum
Wait, how can I call the static constant using enum
using
name,
fish
right?
dot
Exactly.
fish dot.
That's what we are calling like fish dot star, fish dot gold, fish dot cat, right? Exactly. This is like normal import, guys. If you go for the static import, what import a static import syntax? Import a static modifier. Import static com.tcs.enum constants dot fish dot star, guys. What the meaning of this line? We can access all the we can access what? We can access all the static members of fish data. Yes, we can access what? We can access all the static members of fish. We can access directly without using enum name, right? Hmm?
Yeah.
Without using enum name, you can access directly, right? Yeah, that is called static import. So that guys, in present applications, you're going for the static import with the static import so that I can call the enum constants directly, right? Yeah. As while discussing packages, we have done the static import. Static import is mainly for the enum constants only. Because enum constants, every time we have to call using enum name, enum name, enum name, right? Instead of calling the enum name, we can call that constants directly by taking the static import, right? Yes or no? We can access directly using enum name, right? Exactly. The static import is clear. If you are doing the normal import means what? Com.tcs.enum constants.feature. If you are doing the normal import means then what happens here? We have to access the data using fish.star, fish.gold, fish.cat. We have to access data using class name, right? Just like enum name. But if you go for the static import means what? Import static. Import static com.tcs.enum constant.fish.star. What the meaning of this line here? We can access all the static members of fish. All the static members of fish you can call directly, right? That's what I can call directly gold, star, cat. Because you try to execute this example using Eclipse ID. You try to execute this example using Eclipse ID. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yeah, that is called enum constants accessing, guys. So the point here, enum purpose is what? To declare the group of constants, right? Before enum, what we will do? Yes, before enum, what we will do? Before enum to declare the constants, what we will use, guys? We are going for the we are going with what? Guys, before enum to do the constants, what we will use? Because if you want, you can see some predefined classes. Let me check the Google. Can I go with the okay? Uh, Oracle driver, Oracle, Oracle, Oracle driver, source code. If you see the Oracle driver source code, mhm, Oracle basically is a predefined class. Oracle driver source code. Yeah, if you open the source code, guys, yeah, some predefined classes, later classes, we see some predefined classes. Most of the C guys here. Here, how many public static final constants are there? Public static final, public static final, public static final, public static final. These many number of constants, right? Exactly. But these constants, if you are going for the enum means what happen, guys? So we only declare these many number of times public static final, right? Yes or no? We only define what public static final these many number of times, right? Like that, guys. Hmm? Like that. If you go for the connection event, so we can write the connection source code. So if you go for the connection source code here, see the source code of this connection, guys. Maybe it is also going to some static constants are there. That depends on the application, guys. Depends on the data. Yeah, maybe here not. But Oracle driver and Oracle statement. If you want, you can see for the Oracle statement once. Yeah, because here also you have some static final constants are there, right? Exactly. If later class like even Spring class also, because how many variables we declared here? A number of variables, right? Boolean data, public static final constants. Execute one, execute for execute update, execute normal. Again, are able to say public static final constant, right? These all the code from JDK 1.0 version, guys. 1.0 means 1990s, right? But JDK 1.5 is released in the 2005 almost, in the 2000 year, 2005, right? JDK 1.5. That's what, guys. See, before the enum, every time you take a public static final, guys. That's what you're going for the enum concept. Enum concept means what? Declare the enum. Hmm. Enum constants by default what type of data? Because enum constants are by default what type of data? Public static final, right?
Public static final.
Yeah, yeah. You got some idea, right? Yeah. The previous example, like previous projects, always public static final we are defining, but present applications they declare the constants means simply can go for the constants. Yeah, using enum name, right? Exactly, guys. Hmm? Okay, first example, how can we access the individual constants means using the enum name, right? Using enum name, we can access individual constant. How can you access all the constants using values function? And the dark class file generated, guys. Based on the dark class file, we decided 10 points. These 10 points are important because everything you can write the nodes so that you get the clarity. Enums are internet is a class format. Enums are by default what final, so we cannot create the child enum, right? We cannot create the child enum. Enums are by default public. The default superclass of enum is enum. These are the points, guys. And we can access the enums using the enum name. If you're doing the normal importer, if you're going for the static import means what? We can access directly without using. Telling us we can access directly without using. Guys, we can access
Enum name.
directly without using what? Without using enum name, right? Exactly. Without using enum name, right? Exactly. Because example 3 can see it is possible to declare the enum inside the class also. Yes, I declared enum inside the class, right? Accessing is common, so I declared enum inside the class simply. Yeah. So how can we class Gmail is there? In the Gmail, I declared enum email is there. So I'm accessing the mail dot values. Values means what it returns. Mail dot values, right? So mail you can take the here here you can take here you can take here just you can print right? That's okay. This mail dot values we are getting all the constants, right? We are printing the just all the constants, guys. Just we are printing all the constants, right? Exactly. Run this code is compiled fine. After compilation, the class is called what? Gmail class, right? Class you can write the Gmail. So inbox, compose and send, right? So it is possible to declare the enum inside the class also. Because it is possible to declare the enum inside the class, right? Exactly. So you try to check the first 3 examples and try to read these 10 points, guys. Then we'll get the clarity about the complete enum. The 10 points are important. Okay. So we'll meet in tomorrow class. We'll complete the enum concept. Bye, guys.
I share this notes in protected.
Product.com/Java 9am. Yeah, Java 9am. You can take the password is a Java, right? File handling yesterday completed. Today we'll go for the enum concept, and tomorrow we'll complete the enum concept, guys. Tomorrow we'll complete the enum. Topics left. Actually, enum I'm making one day, but recommend take the 2 days, right? One day, why hurry? Today just to give the complete information about the enum. Tomorrow I'll go for some more examples. Then tomorrow we'll complete the enum concept, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.